In front of me, I have some of the most necessary and essential Cybertruck accessories. As you guys know, I just took delivery of my Cybertruck, and in the past, I've made videos with a Model Y demonstrating the best and most essential accessories that you cannot live without. A lot of those accessories truly enhance your Tesla ownership experience. And today, I'm doing the same with Cybertruck accessories, and I've partnered up with Hansho to give you guys the most essential and must-have accessories for your Cybertruck. As always, all of the accessories will be in the description below in the exact order I go over them. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. And also, you can use the code 30TESLAMATT at checkout to get up to 30% off your accessories order. So without further ado, let's dive in. The first accessory I have is one that is truly unique to the Cybertruck that is not found in the Model S, 3, X, or Y, and it's this lockbox. You can have a key to open the lockbox or a 4-digit PIN code, and once you enter your PIN code, you simply twist and unlock, and you can store your valuables in here with a peace of mind with some extra security as well. It comes with 4 screw holes that you could screw into the center armrest storage, and let me show you how it looks once it's in here. It seamlessly integrates with the center armrest storage, and it does not interfere with opening and closing it. It's very easy to install, and as I mentioned, you can use a key to unlock it or a 4-digit PIN code. Let me show you what it looks like when you open it. It has a decent amount of room in here. You can obviously put your wallet, some valuables, and some other things in here that you want to have extra security for. And when you're done, you just lock it up, change the PIN code, scramble it, and close it, and you're good to go. While on the topic of the center armrest, another accessory that truly enhances your ownership experience is a center armrest organizer. You can see here I have my stuff in here, and it won't be flying around everywhere while I'm driving. Best of all, it does not interfere with a lockbox below it, and it also covers and hides it, so people won't really know that there's a lockbox below it, truly guarding your valuables. One of the must-have accessories is a screen protector for your Tesla screen. Now, some of you might say it's not like a phone where you're carrying it around in your pocket all the time or you could drop it, but you could be, for example, sometimes maybe dragging across your purse or your backpack. It could scuff or scratch the screen or even crack it if you move it hard enough, or you're wearing a ring, you're wearing a watch, it could hit it at a certain angle. I just like this peace of mind because when you put a screen protector on, it prevents scratches, and it has some shatter resistance properties. So this particular screen protector from Hansho is fantastic because it has a little guide. You just put it on the screen and it walks you through it. You don't have to get it aligned perfectly and whatnot. And in my situation, I have not yet taken off the protective film that comes with the Cybertruck because I knew I was going to install a screen protector. So all I have to do is just take it off, put this on, and call it a day. But if you have already taken this off, it does come with some alcohol wipes and a cloth to dry it so you can clean it and get it ready. And this particular kit from Hansho also comes with a rear screen protector for the rear screen. So here are the accessories where you can wash it or clean it. And here's an instruction manual. It shows you exactly how to do it. Some tools, let's see what these are. Cleaning wipes, microfiber, and a dust absorber. This is useful for sure, but I don't think, yeah, when I take it off, there won't be any dust under it. This one, let's see, these accessories, more microfiber, so dust absorbers, and some drying wipes and wet wipes. And a squeegee, of course. Without further ado, let's get rolling. So I'll take this off. Oh, we got some dust right there, so that's perfect. I can just wipe it down. So it looks like maybe the screen wasn't fully, maybe I peeled it off by accident at the bottom. Let's just absorb the dust. And you want to quickly do this so any new dust doesn't settle on it. Step 1, peel this blue tab. So we're just going to peel that. Okay. Step 2, press across here. And then press across here. Wait about 10, 20, maybe even 30 seconds. You can kind of see the bubbles disappearing. And for any extra bubbles under it, once we take this off, we'll squeegee it out. Let's remove this sticker. Finally, we can take this guide off. Look at that. Let's get rid of the squeegees, or the bubbles with the squeegee. Now onto the back. I'll get rid of these little air pockets here, and it should be good to go. Okay, same thing with the rear screen. I have not yet taken this off, but it is somewhat peeling off, so I have a dust sticker ready, or dust absorber. And here is the screen. And also you'll see here in the edges, it's kind of like they cut it off because at the bottom here, it's angled as well. So you know which way it goes, up or down. This part is a straight corner. Down here is snipped off, like how the screen is. So let's take this off. Got a little dust right there. Let's use the dust absorber there. This one has more dust. And there you have it. Perfect screen, and on to the next accessory. The next accessory are mud flaps, and I love these mud flaps from Hansho for 2 reasons. One, it protects against road debris, especially if you go off-roading, and also helps protect your truck from mud splatter, especially when it's raining. And 2 is the design and the aesthetics. It really complements the Cybertruck well, especially given how large it is and how it has the angles like a Cybertruck. Let's take a look at the front real quick. These are very easy to install. All you have to do is pop out the existing clips and install it and pop it in with the clips that come with this kit. Let me show you real quick right here. You can see here is a, here, let me zoom in, it looks like a screw, but you don't have to use a screwdriver. I tried it and it wasn't really working. All you have to do is just put some pressure on it and it pops in. It comes with a little clip. You take the existing clips off and pop these in, and it is very easy to install. And then the last thing you do is put the metal clip on it, and you have a solid, sturdy, and rigid mud flap that complements the look of the Cybertruck very well. If you spend any amount of time in a Cybertruck, you know that the footwell right here in between the driver and the passenger has a lot of storage, and it does not really look like you can put much stuff there without it sliding around and flying everywhere while you're driving. The solution to that is these inserts right here. It comes in a 2-pack, and you just simply slide them in and you're good to go. Now you can put whatever you want in here without them flying around. You can put some snacks, you can put a water bottle right there that's larger that may not fit in the cup holder. You can put anything here and it will not be flying around. It will be secure and it's organized as well. The next accessory that is an absolute must-have is for the glove box, and this is insert right here that has compartments for your things. It easily fits in, it does not move around, and now your glove box can be neatly organized and it's ready to go. This next accessory is an absolute game changer when it comes to the organization of your truck bed. It simply slides into the little slits right there, and it'll prevent things from flying around everywhere while you're driving. It'll keep them secure and in place and prevent them from breaking. Let me show you how it looks like when it's installed. Here's how it looks like when it's installed. Best of all, you can put it over the all-weather floor liner in the sub-trunk, and it's really easy to install. You just simply slide it in. There's no drilling, no holes, nothing is required. Simply slide it in, and you're good to go. You can put it, it's really lightweight. You can put it off to the side if you don't need it. You can have 1, you can have 2, you can have none of them in there. It's very good for organization, and it's a highly must-have. An absolute must-have accessory for any vehicle is all-weather floor liners. This particular set from Hansho comes with the front, the rear, the front trunk, the truck bed, and the sub-trunk. It is made of a TPE-like material. It is very durable, it's very easy to clean, and I highly recommend you have this in your Cybertruck or any Tesla for that matter. Hansho has other models available for the Model Y, S, 3, and X. They're very durable and they don't slip at all. Here, let me show you the rear. Here's the rear right here. It fits perfectly. Don't mind the little bit of dirtiness I got. I was just testing it out. You can see how it's perfectly holding up. Let's show the front trunk. And if you do spill something or you need to clean it, it's very easy to do so. You just take it out, rinse it off, let it dry, and that is it. All right, here it is in the truck bed. It fits perfectly, edge to edge, and best of all, it provides protection for when you want to haul things. You're putting a lot of dirty things in here. You just simply can just take it out, wash it, dry it off, and you're good to go again. I think it's a great addition to the truck bed. Also, this set comes with a liner for the sub trunk as well. So if you're putting some dirty things in here, I put something there. You see, it got a little bit dirty. I was testing it out. All I have to do is just take it out, wash it, put it back in, and it's good as new. You don't have to worry about the bottom of your sub trunk or even your truck bed getting really dirty to the point where you can't even wash it. This cup holder right here is really good, but what really makes it better is this cup holder insert. It simply slides in, and now you won't have to worry about spills or anything damaging or staining your cup holder below it. And even if you do get some spills in here, it easily comes out and you can wash it. It's made of this silicone type material, and it has this extended lip for it to go up here, so nothing can seep into your armrest storage. Check out this next accessory for the rear seats. It's an organizer that goes directly under the seats here. You obviously know that it latches up. You simply install these here with the Velcro that's provided to this metal pole right here under the Cybertruck. Right here, it just goes on it. You just put the Velcro over it for all three of them, and things are secure in place. And best of all, when you've used it, you can just simply put your seat down, and it seamlessly integrates into your Cybertruck with no hassle. All right, check this next accessory out. Let's say you've already filled up a storage in the center armrest, down here too. Where else could you put stuff besides your glove box? This thing right here is a game changer. You simply slide it behind the screen, and you can put whatever you want in it. You can put sunglasses, you can put your garage door opener. It fits really well, and it's out of sight while you're driving. It's made of a silicone type material as well, and it's really easy to clean. So if you do happen to get it dirty, you just simply slide it out, wash it, dry it, and put it back in, and it's good to go. Now onto the back seat of a Cybertruck. This right here is a good storage compartment. You just slide it under the screen, and it's good to go. It has enough space to put, maybe if you want water bottles, some drinks maybe, or just whatever type of storage you want, you can put down here. And it's very easy to clean as well, just like the other accessories I've mentioned right now. All right, so there you have it, the most essential and necessary Cybertruck accessories for your Cybertruck. What are your thoughts on the accessories I went over today? Were there also any accessories that you use on a day-to-day basis that I did not cover? If so, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to use my code 30TeslaMatt at checkout for up to 30% off your order. And I've left every single accessory in the exact order I went over it, along with the link so you can easily find it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.